Hi, Jason Champagne of Native Chef LLC. Today's recipe, very easy, a very tasty buffalo vegetable stew. First we'll add some oil to a preheated pan, and then we'll add some ground buffalo. We really want to break this up right away while it's raw. And now that it's broken up and cooked through, I'm going to add celery, carrot, onion, dried oregano, and black pepper. I'm going to stir this in really well, and I'm going to reduce the heat. We're going to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes and let the flavors from these vegetables open up. Now we're going to add some beef stock and some water. Now we want to bring this up to a boil. Now that it's a full boil, we're going to reduce the heat down and we're going to cover it and let it cook for about 40 to 45 minutes covered. Next up, we want to add some mixed vegetables that are partially frozen. And we just want to cook these vegetables until they're heated through. They keep a nice color. We'll remove some to a serving dish. And this is optional, but we can use some green onions on top here to make it look nice. If you don't have access to buffalo, try to use a lean 90% or better ground beef. If you use 80%, try to drain the fat. Remember that vegetables, we don't want to overcook them, so adding these right at the end and just cooking them through keeps them really nice and colorful. And be careful with the sodium on this dish because there's a lot of sodium in the beef stock, and a lot of people add salt anyways at the table. So this right now is a lower sodium soup, but be careful adding that to the recipe. So to recap on today's recipe, I used 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 1/4 pounds of ground buffalo, 1 cup of celery, 1 cup of carrot, 1 cup of onion. I used 1/4 of a dried teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 4 cups of beef stock, 2 cups of water, and 1 32-ounce bag of mixed vegetables. I added oil to the pot over medium heat, added the buffalo, broke it up and cooked it all the way through. Then I added celery, carrot, onion, oregano, and pepper. I reduced the heat to low to let the flavors come out of the vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then I added the stock and water, brought it to a boil. Then I reduced the heat. I covered it and simmered it for 40 to 45 minutes. Uncover it, add the mixed vegetables, just heat the vegetables through, and then remove to a serving dish, and it's optional to garnish. Today I garnished with green onions. Really, really tasty recipe, and I hope you enjoy this one at home. Until I see you again, stay safe, stay well, eat well, and always remember to have fun in the kitchen.